Hey, we're on Friday. Buy programs. Mike V, TradeGATEHub. Friday. Buy programs with focus on banks and smalls this morning. A lot going on. Obviously, when you shift that is some things here. Okay, let's go to the chats. All right, listen, there's something for everybody. Okay. For those not familiar, or for those that are familiar, I would do it anyway. Please urge everyone to go watch the tape. Go watch our YouTube channel. Go, it's not just you and Boyle. I'm buying some Boyle down here. Let's be honest. Here we are with Boyle. Let's get into it. You want to watch and learn what TGH is about? New share, unwind of UNG into Friday after a nice run up. Not going to say you're going to get the bottom. TGH. UNG, you know what we're going to do? This launch meeting. That freaking 19 windows open. Always showing my universe upgrades, downgrades. Like I said, UNG. I don't like the fact UNG. I'm buying it right here. Is UNG. Coming right back here to this smoke. Here's Boyle. I bid for Boyle, 44.24. This is Boyle where I'm getting it. Starting to bid Boyle. I should probably bid at 43.39. I'm going to cancel some. I'll go 200. I'll go 400. What was it? 44.39. 44 point. Let's go 59. Can't get the bottom. Let's go 43.59. If you can see on my screen here, it's Tesla breaking out. About to. Exactly what I thought happened yesterday. Please go back and watch our. This is what I meant to say. Our YouTube channel. Throughout the week, Coach and I do every videos. I've been doing 2 videos a day, including Power Hour. When the VIX is this low, Lewis always buy and hold. Go back to what we're going on. Coach gives an hour dissertation. Thanks for the work ideas. Not good week. Yeah, good week. Nick, mechanical, program, mechanical. Probably want to buy some DXYZ maybe if you want before you go into the weekend. Look at this thing. DXYZ. I thought this was really going to go pull like one of these 100 jobs. Tesla, let's take a look. Okay, there's the chart on Tesla. Some of these other small stocks took a rest into options as anticipated. All right. Lemonade, is it over? I'm not sure. Planeteer, Oclo, Smart, NNE was up. Sim, QUBT. I think I'm in this thing and I don't like it. Something's going on. I have a Q something. What do I have? QUBT. I do have it. What happened here? No. KD worked. All these stocks worked. All right. Every stock that we're chasing after the previous day worked. KD, good. Okay, let's look at the CRNC. Even the small ones worked. Price action range. Even it's not a one-day wonder. If it doesn't give it up, the longer it doesn't give it up, it goes to the 200-day more juice in the punch bowl. Very good. Stocks, OMER. Some work, some don't. What else? Sava, one-day wonder, maybe not. Huge range volume, biotech. All these retailers worked. Gap stores had one. Earnings. Kohl's bought that off the bottom, 47% short. All right, you know what I mean? Something for everybody. I don't want to go to the main screen right now. A little ill, not gonna lie. I was sick. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's this one. Other stocks like AI, parabolic, short term. Still going. No problem. Tesla, you're gonna step in front of this now. AALY. High flyer. Pivoting. Target 1-day bounce. Dollar Tree. Had it nicely yesterday. Still working. It's not a barn burner. You know, bio, some bio. Oh, you know what stock I like? APLT. APLT. This is the stock I'm in 8,000 and I'm going a little heavy on this. Applied Digital. Get to know it. I mean, how are oils working? Little day delay? Slob? Everybody's making all the good money in the other ones. I get it. Still long. PPF added to today. Refiner curling up. Okay. Either that stock gets wiped out and has some bad news, is down like 3 or 5% or whatever, and gets pinned down here and it's over, or my upside is another 20%. That's my risk to reward on that one. EOG bought more today, oil. In ExxonMobil flagging, calls off the board. The video. All right. Still, so listen, this stock is going to show, this stock didn't show its hand yet after earnings yesterday. It's a week from now. Let all these options wipe off the weeklies, all the speculation, watch out. Let's see if Goog off the 200-day yesterday was important. There's Goog now. I'm not saying, listen. There it is. Microsoft, I bet you're still below it all. I didn't even look at it today. All right, still below. It's Mag. Do they care about the Mag? APP. Another one stock that I said would run into expiration. They'd sell it off a couple of days. Doesn't mean it's over. This is all you have to see. All the other specs I think are getting Tesla, 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 GME, GME, Target small bounce. Wolf bullish, don't like it. Dale Pinkert, always a good wingman, always saying. I could say the world is flat, and Dale would be saying it. Not that I mean he's assuming that I know what I'm talking about. We do need a sharp pullback in IBIT. Rev, you're right. Everybody. Tesla big. Here's another one, Joe. There's all the world shit doing the same thing. IBIT, he's right. Everybody, what is it? 98,000 Bitcoin. They have the 100,000 almost guaranteed through the weekend. I get it. I see it. Tesla, another one, big IV push. 40 million calls being so it's the open. Calls. Now, notice something. A guy like Joe, good file, high level guy, I'm not going to lie to you. I have no problem saying this. Very good trader. Doesn't say the volume. Not saying over the 200-day. He's going with a volatility push with options. Also another one that follows options. Not like it's a Friday, no Democratic, not Trump. Has nothing to do with Democratic Party. It has to do with money, calls, and volatility, trend, price action. It's what we're all trying to convey to you. Just like we're all chasing the same things in a different way. Maybe, hopefully, I convey it in a better way. That's all. Not smart enough to invent an algorithm that just I can flip the switch on and go play 9 holes and come back and I'm up 1% a day. Tesla. Yeah, like you said. Bank of America taking calls. Brought this up yesterday. Fins. JP and the boys. JP Morgan. Gonna argue with that right there? 250 strike price at least. I know it's only $2, but on a Friday. Gonna argue with this thing? Bank of America, we saw calls go off. Don't kill the messenger. Okay? I'm the waiter. Okay? I'm the guy that comes to the table and says, this is what we got here. Everything's hot. It's up to you to pick it. Bank of America taking calls. If it was Newmont Mining, would you buy it? Yeah. If it was Micron, would you buy it? Yeah. All right, I'm not just because nobody had it at 45, at 42, I get it. It's not where stocks have been, it's where it's going. Okay? You got to put that aside. P-Core. TradeGATEHub. Like it. Thanks a lot, kid. What else? NA volume. Wolf new high of the day. Okay, let's look at the board. I'll look at one more time. I'll look at the. Doesn't need to be a power hour. Oh, let's look at another one. Let me write this. Baba. Yeah, market's going to come back a little bit. Baba. NA volume, NA halt. Hold on. Yeah, I'm old. I'm a Generation Xer. I use freaking pens and pencils and all that stuff. So hang on. NA. Bob. You're welcome, Nick. Thanks for everything as well. Thanks for your help. If I can make, if I don't say this often. Actually, you know what? I have no problem saying. I wish I said it every day. Made me a better trader. Hang on. Made me a better trader. You too, Jeff. Where are you? You're probably trying to pick something, make up for that. Who did I like? I bet one game I bet last week. I bet Georgia to win over Tennessee. It's the only game I bet. What else was I talking about? You're welcome. NA. This thing's flying. NA. NA. NA anonymous. So NA. This is what I'm looking at. Halt it up. Not going to get into it now. You got to do your own thing. Net. This is the one. Going higher with or without you. Stock I added to in the fund today. I wish I don't watch it. MIR. Where's Boyle, by the way? Oh, right. They're trying to test me. Now I have 3,000 from, I don't want it. Why do I have a triple E? 3,400 from 45.60. The sweet spot, I'm buying it. This is the sweet spot, actually. I'm buying it early, 43.40. I bought it at the first. I bought it at the first gap, Boyle. Stock came from 54 to freaking 40, okay? Now it's in between the gappers. Ideally, I wanted a 43.45. F you. Martin taking calls. Dog. Martin taking calls. One first day up on Marna. All right. Rounding up on Marna. When I see that, I look at vaccine. I look at NVAX, vaccine stocks. All right. Wayfair I had nicely today. Couldn't hold it. Sold it for. I didn't know it went that high. Luna, a minute. Been a lot of Luna. Luna. How could you? Even Macy's is going. See this? Look at this list. Macy's is going. Look at that. Here we are. MSTR, Coin, AAOI, Kohl's, RVLV was all over my RVLV is my list. Retailers. There we go. Let's read them off. Let's read off the list I wanted to buy retailers. RVLV, why not? There it is. With this, that might have turned. RVLV. Did the freaking weekly on RVLV. Fine. Next one is what? Goose. The goose is loose. It didn't go yet, the goose. It's going to go. Trust me. The goose will be loose in squeeze retailing. CRI. Carter's. Goldman Sachs loved this stock. This stock turned the corner. Retail. Zoomies. Oh, fresh. FRSH. There's the chart on it. FRSH. I don't care what they do. They can make widgets. Freshworks. Going higher without you, Bob. Freshworks. Sell some Freshworks. What else did I like? Zoomies. You know they knew something, these bastards. If you heard me, Zoomies. They were buying Macy's the past couple of days, and I'm saying to myself, those are the bad calls. Really, they were. Jay went now. Well, you know what? Where's Surf? Surf's up there with something. He's on vacation. Only guy I know that takes a vacation. No, the best of breed. The remember this really. The gauge for every retailer out there is this one. Nobody knows it except me. Dillard's, department stores, big box department stores, Macy's, Jay Win. I'm out of breath. US pounds, APLD. Did they buy it on Mike V? APLD, they bought it on Mike V, 977 is APLD, right at the high. So what we have to do now is buy what? What is this trade? We'll buy another 4,000 APLD. We'll break it higher. Welcome for all TGH members. Got 12. I might go heavy in this thing. How does this not work? I got to put this in a separate account and not watch this on a daily basis. And hopefully it turn around. Hopefully this thing has at least 16 on it. APLD. Tesla. Wolf Speed. Don't trust it. First day up, Wolf Speed. Then I looked at second day, AHR, all these other dogs. Joby. I punted it. Sold all the Joby at the high. Lemonade flying. Tesla. That's it. This thing did 360. What happened to Tesla? It just did 362. It just had a $10 downtick as it broke high. What's this situation? You see this live? That's what happened. You know, I'll tell you what happened. Exactly what happened. Now I'm going to buy it. Freaking thing. All right, everybody had a buy stop. Tesla. Buy at a year high. 358. Everybody was shorted. A page of buy stops. That's what happened. Now you want to buy it. Now you have to. Never everybody got shaken out. Let's scare. Now is where you want to do it. Now we got live action. This is what everybody got stopped out. It says, "Oh, I knew I got stopped out. I top ticked it." Back in Philly, you went about 344. Wes. All right, listen. Coach always reverberates in the back of my head. You might not make your Friday and could possibly lose it. Most of the money has been made. Relax. There's a lot of things going. You know what I mean? I'm going like this. I don't even think I ever did this before. You know what I mean? Things are flying in every sector. All right, relax. We need to take money at the market, not be right necessarily. The job is to take money. Not to tell your wife, yeah, you know, I knew that BE did a print at 24 and a half and it went to 24. It's not going to care less. Well, it's going to tell you where you could take it to dinner, how you pay for it. Not the story necessarily. Nobody even still knows what I do. Mike V. Got to be in the room. Got to ask. 24. Cheers. Thanks, Jose. Well done, by the way.